not the best. So what I'm going to be trying to do is improve that. Because I have been having a lot of packs. I got one pro pack, a rookie, two different packs, and a rookie pack. So we're going to start off with the rookie pack. Ooh, Rundy Dude. Nice. Ooh, an extra 500 coins, I'll take that. So we're going to start with these guys. Let's see who we get. Ooh, okay, that's not bad. Alright, we got another one, that's good. Guys, I'm going to be saving the pro pack for last. But here's a rookie starter pack. Let's see who we get. Nice. Well, it's better than bronze, trust me. So here's the pro pack, guys. Leave a comment down below what you think I'm going to be getting. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Not expecting that. So let's go check out my team now. So, still not the best. I got a couple new players. It's really good. I'll take that any day. Here's that little beat. Bye guys.